Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a device that could be a lifesaver, literally. We're unboxing and reviewing the Entel HT649 GMDSS VHF radio, a rugged marine radio built for emergencies and reliable communication at sea. Whether you're a sailor, professional mariner, or just love water adventures, stick around to see if this radio deserves a spot on your vessel. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we've got HT649 GMDSS radio unit, a robust and ergonomically designed handheld device. Primary lithium one-shot emergency battery, designed with a 4-year shelf life, ensuring readiness in emergencies. A high-efficiency antenna, optimized for clear communication. Spring-loaded belt clip, for secure attachment during operations. A lanyard, offering additional carrying convenience. Quick start user guide, to assist with initial setup and operation. If you've opted for the HT649 P2 package, it also includes secondary 2,200 mAh Li-ion rechargeable battery, provides extended operational time. A drop-in charger, for convenient recharging of the Li-ion battery. Specifications and features. Environmental protection, rated IP68, making it submersible up to 2 meters for 4 hours, ensuring resilience in harsh marine conditions. Military standards compliance, meets MILSTD 810C, attesting to its durability against shock, vibration, and moisture. A channel availability, access to all international, INT, USA, and Canada, marine channels, catering to global maritime communication needs. A Vox hands-free operation. When paired with a compatible audio accessory, the radio supports voice-activated transmission, allowing for hands-free communication. Key lock feature, prevents accidental operation by locking keys and controls, which can be set manually or automatically. Scanning capability. The radio can scan for active channels and automatically select them, ensuring you stay connected to relevant communications. The Entel HT649 GMDSS VHF radio is a survival craft radio, designed for use in abandoned ship situations. It complies with IMO, International Maritime Organization, and SOLAS, Safety of Life at Sea, regulations, making it an essential part of a vessel's emergency equipment. Purpose and emergency use. In emergencies such as fire, flooding, or vessel sinking, the crew must abandon ship and board lifeboats or life rafts. Reliable communication is crucial for coordinating rescue operations and maintaining contact with nearby vessels, search and rescue teams, and coast stations. The HT649 GMDSS VHF radio ensures clear and effective communication in these critical situations. Emergency battery, a life-saving feature. The HT649 GMDSS radio includes a primary lithium emergency battery, which is sealed and non-rechargeable, ensuring it remains fully charged until needed. Has a 4-year shelf life, always ready for emergency use. Provides extended operational time, supporting continuous communication during rescue efforts. This battery is only used in actual emergency situations, guaranteeing that the radio functions when it is needed most. Radio carriage requirements. The number of survival craft radios required on a vessel depends on its gross register tonnage, GRT, as per SOLAS regulations. A vessels between 300 and 500 GRT must carry at least 2 GMDSS VHF survival craft radios. A vessels over 500 GRT must carry at least 3 GMDSS VHF survival craft radios. These radios must be stored in an accessible location and be ready for immediate use in an emergency. Why GMDSS compliance matters. The HT649 GMDSS VHF radio is fully GMDSS compliant, meaning it meets strict international maritime safety standards. This radio operates on designated distress and survival craft frequencies, is waterproof and shock resistant for harsh survival conditions, can withstand extreme temperatures and rough handling. With its rugged construction, emergency-ready battery, and compliance with maritime safety regulations, the Entel HT649 GMDSS VHF radio is a critical communication tool that enhances safety at sea. That wraps up our unboxing and overview of the Entel HT649 GMDSS VHF radio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more maritime equipment reviews and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any other marine radio you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and stay safe at sea.